Hey everyone, welcome back to Versa VidHub. Today we're covering how to maximize rewards and save money with your travel credit card, especially when traveling internationally. From bonus points to foreign transaction fees, we'll break down everything you need to know to travel smarter and stretch your budget further. All right, let's dive in. First up, bonus rates for travel spending. Many travel credit cards offer extra points or cash back on categories like airline tickets, hotel stays, dining, and rental cars. For example, you might earn 3 points per dollar spent on flights, 2 points per dollar on hotels, and 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. Those points you accumulate, they can be redeemed for free flights, hotel stays, travel upgrades, you name it. It's like getting a discount on every trip you take. Choose a card that aligns with your spending habits and travel goals. Some cards specialize in airline miles, while others offer more flexible rewards programs. To make the most of bonus rates, always use your travel credit card for travel-related expenses. Think beyond flights and hotels. Some cards even offer bonus rewards on things like train tickets, cruises, and travel insurance. Before you jump on the first travel credit card you see, take the time to compare different offers. Each card has its own unique set of perks, fees, and rewards programs. By comparing your options, you can find the card that aligns perfectly with your spending habits and maximizes your rewards. And remember, responsible credit card use is key. Always pay your bills on time and in full to avoid interest charges and maintain a healthy credit score. Now, let's talk about saving money on international travel. Foreign transaction fees can be a hidden cost when using your credit card abroad. Many cards charge an extra 3% on transactions made in foreign currencies. Imagine this. You're enjoying a delicious meal in Italy, and the bill arrives with an unexpected foreign transaction fee. It might seem like a small percentage, but those fees can add up quickly. Let's say you're on a 2-week trip to Europe and spend around $5,000 on your credit card. With a 3% foreign transaction fee, you'd end up paying an extra $150 just for using your card abroad. Many travel credit cards waive foreign transaction fees, saving you money on every purchase you make abroad. When choosing a travel credit card, pay close attention to the foreign transaction fee policy. By being mindful of foreign transaction fees and choosing a card that waives them, you can keep more money in your pocket and make the most of your travel budget. Finally, let's talk about the importance of a high credit limit. Having a higher limit means more spending power and flexibility. It's especially useful when traveling, so you can keep most of your other cards at home. Imagine this. You're checking into a hotel after a long day of travel, and the receptionist asks for a credit card to hold for incidentals. You hand over your card, only to be told that it's been declined because you've reached your credit limit. This highlights the importance of having a high credit limit, especially when traveling. A higher limit provides a safety net, ensuring that you have access to funds when you need them most. A high credit limit can also improve your credit utilization ratio, which is a key factor in determining your credit score. Your credit utilization ratio is the amount of credit you're using compared to your total available credit. Generally, it's recommended to keep your credit utilization below 30%. A high credit limit gives you more wiggle room to make purchases without negatively impacting your credit score. When choosing a travel credit card, consider your spending habits and travel style. Remember, responsible credit card use is crucial. Always spend within your means and make timely payments to maintain a healthy credit history. So there you have it. Maximize your travel credit card rewards by leveraging bonus rates, avoiding foreign transaction fees, and choosing a card with a high credit limit. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel and finance tips. For your convenience, I've compiled a list of my top recommended travel credit cards in the description below. Happy travels and see you in the next video.